In today's video, we're going to show you how to turn off brake lights that are stuck on your Honda Element. This is a super easy fix. You don't need any tools. You'll just need one simple part, which I'll leave down below in the description. And usually this is caused because the brake pedal stopper is broken. So let's jump into the driver's seat and I'll show you exactly what we're talking about and how to fix it. If you can't get to this repair right away, I'll show you how to remove the brake light fuse so that you don't drain your battery, and then when you're ready to get to it, you can get to it. All right, let's get to work. So if you look on the ground on your floorboard, you might notice little plastic pieces here, and this is the stopper, which could potentially be broken. So that could be one telltale sign that this is broken. So we want to get underneath the brake pedal here. Let me get a good shot for you. So if you're looking there, you'll see that little white piece. And when I press down on the brake pedal, you can see how it's temporarily damaged. And you'll see there's a little bit of a hole there where you can actually place the stopper. And that's what tells the car to turn the brake lights off. So you depress the brake, place the stopper in there, and then you should be good to go. This is a manual transmission, so your brake pedal might look slightly different, but it'll be close enough. Here under the hood, you'll locate the fuse panel. And what I did, because I was not ready to fix this immediately, is I went ahead and I removed the 15 amp fuse here, which controls the brake lights. So that way it wouldn't drain my battery. But that's located right here. That's the third one on the far right. And this is the fuse grabber here, so that makes it easy to put the fuses. So this is the part you'll need. This is the Dorman 74015, and that's the little stopper inside of there. I'll leave the links down below in the description so you guys can find that real quick. If you look here, you see that little white part. This is me pressing down on the brake pedal, and there should be a little plastic piece that goes inside of that hole there. So that's where you install the brake stopper. Let's go ahead and pop that in now. So it should be pretty simple here. We'll just press down on the brake. Slide that into place there. And that should do it. So now that the stopper's in there, it'll depress that little signal, and then the brake lights will stay off. Let's go take a look. And if you did remove the fuse, just be sure to reinstall that before trying this again. So now the brake lights are off. I'll press on the brake pedal and the brake lights are on. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know if this worked for you, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.